Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button to see more videos, and if you're already Team O'Havy, welcome back. So as you can tell by today's title, we're going to be making some spicy shrimp and garlic butter pasta. Trust me everyone, this recipe is delicious and I know you're going to love it. So stay tuned so you can see how to make this fire meal. Okay, period. Let's get it started. The fettuccine noodles, which is about 1 pound. We also have 1 chopped onion, and we have about 20 extra large shrimp. Keep in mind, we're not going to use the whole box of pasta. We also have the seasoning that we're going to be using for today's recipe. So using the same pot we used to cook the onions, we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter. But if you like your pasta really creamy and saucy, you can add 6 to 8 tablespoons of butter if you prefer. As I told you all, we're not going to be using all the pasta, so just spoon in as much to your liking. Me personally, I like a lot of pasta with a little bit of shrimp. Comment down below how you prefer it. Do y'all see this pasta? It is definitely giving. Now, I know to some people's standards I may have overcooked my shrimp, but that's how I like it. You can definitely adjust it to the way that you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.